Greg Stewart. I'm a home inspector in Southern Oregon. Good. Accuracy is good. I'm the first line of defense in finding these things. So whatever I find, I'm referring out to another contractor. So I need to make sure that I have an accurate reading. So when they come back and look at it, they're getting the same reading. That's very important. Said the accuracy, if it's inaccurate, not giving the same readings, that can be a big problem for me, because if I'm showing a higher moisture content and somebody else comes back and they're not showing an issue, then I've held up this real estate transaction and I've suggested a repair happen. And if somebody else comes along and says nothing's needed, there's no issue here, I've wasted everybody's time. They're coming out, they think that they need a repair. Then there's, arguing back and forth about who's right, who's wrong, burns people's trust in me. It's not good for my business. It's not good for any real estate agent that may have suggested me to their client. I certainly don't want to do that. I got a lot in my business and I want to make sure I'm putting out the best product and making the best suggestions and recommendations for people. So I want to give the most accurate information I can to everybody.